The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold.
Hello, my name is Brandon, the owner, founder, and CEO of Badass Wrestling Entertainment. I got two things to talk about tonight. First off, one is the main event for tonight, and second, I respond to the shoot promo on BWE from PCW. Alright, so let's start off with the main event. Tonight, two former members of the Mass Mafia, Shadow and SYCO, both of them go one-on-one in the first ever Snow Buried Alive match. That's right, someone will be buried in the snow. How about that, PCW? How about that? How about that for a main event? Bet you can't do better than that, can you? I got plenty more up my sleeve, buddy. Now, I'm going to go ahead and respond to the PCW shoot promo on BWE. This is probably what most of y'all came here to see. Here it is. Improving. And I sucked when I first started. I'm gonna suck when I finish. Hey, everybody who starts off isn't the best. Think about it, buddy. I bet you wasn't anywhere good when you first started, was you? Nobody is. Nobody. So practice what you preach, Jack. And we need to start improving. We need to start improving. I mean, look at you. You haven't uploaded in 2 weeks. And you're telling me that we need to be improving? Look where I'm standing, Jack. Badass wrestling ring, right? I don't think we need to start improving. I think it's you that needs to be improving. Now, if I remember correctly, you said something like, you're gonna break my head, break my fingers, and break my legs. Well, look, fingers is alright. My legs ain't broken. My head seems to be doing alright. So, you say you want to break all that stuff? I dare you. I'm inviting you to one match right here in BWE. One match only. Brandon versus Lynx Kruger. How about it, buddy? Let's see your bitches out now. And by the way, Lynx Kruger, whatever the hell your name is. My name is not Brandon. It's not Brandon. It's Brandon. Get it right, Jack.
The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it.
of my premature burial. Inside this oblong box I lie with the hopes of being buried alive.